Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching What's Rakesh Up To. So this is day 2 in Manali, and it's 7 o'clock and we just woke up, and it's very cold. It's very close to freezing. It's 1 degree now. I don't know when it'll hit minus, but this is the balcony, and yep, I'm just standing here enjoying everything. And, the cold is fucking unbearable, dude. Fuck, it's cold. So we didn't have any campfire, by the way. Welcome back. So I just got ready. I also wore my thermals inside my jeans. I don't want to risk it. It's damn cold, guys. So this is the morning coffee view, and so yeah, everyone's getting ready, and once the girls are ready, and we go hire some mopeds, and then we'll be heading to Setan. So the folks who know Setan, you know how beautiful it is. For the guys who don't know, you'll enjoy Setan, man. So this is one of the most beautiful places right outside Manali, and it's less explored by tourists. So we thought we'll head there. We'll have some peace time, fly the drone, relax, chill out for a while, and come back. So that is the plan for today. And so yeah, so the sky is really blue, and there is no signs of rainfall or snow. It's just that it's close to 0 degrees is the only issue I have. So guys, we took bikes for rent. So we are headed to Setan. There also I took the Ntorq.
दोनों में आपका है?
नहीं उसका हो।
हाँ फॉर्मेलिटी मांगा भरो।
नहीं भैया, नेम क्या करना है? गाड़ी नंबर, नेम।
यहाँ नेम कितने हैं? एक लिखो इधर, ठीक है? यहाँ पे डेट डाल दो, यहाँ पे हमका लिखो, यहाँ गाड़ी की गाड़ी।
So guys, one more thing I want to mention: if you're deciding to go to Setan by a two-wheeler, right, by hiring a two-wheeler, make sure you get all the RC copy insurance earlier so that you can directly go. So we got it after a while, so please make sure you carry your RC card, the vehicle that you rent, the RC card, and also your DL. So I think we have everything. So now let's go. So guys, having the time of my life riding in the Himalayas. So we just crossed few, I think 20 hairpin curves. Our hotel is somewhere there, some dot over there. So we are quite above Manali now. We are headed to Setan, like I said earlier. So which is above that, and there must have been snow there, not sure. So yeah, that's the update for now. We have taken some snacks and everything to have it on the way, or where we do some picnics. So guys, almost on top. So if you see, it's the curve number 33 over there. We have 36 plus, and you have some wild horses welcoming us, Setan. So you have some wild horses, and these are some nice meadows, and you can see snow cap in the back. So I'm just waiting for Ram to come. He stopped somewhere to take a picture of the location. I'm just loving. Right behind this hill, right, is a snow cap. Actually, I don't know how soon or how late we will see snow, but yeah, the vehicle is holding up and no issues in the vehicle as such for now. So let's continue the journey. So guys, Golla is complaining about the amount of clothes they wore. Parked up, there is a small water crossing that we saw. I mean, we are not going on it, but yeah, this is the beauty of Himachal, guys. So there is snow from here. I mean, yeah, if you climb up a little, I can't get the snow, but yeah, it's climbed on top. I mean, we won't climb on top, but the water is crystal clear. And trust me, I was feeling cold in the morning, but now we are not feeling cold. We don't want to wear so many clothes. And there is some dam here which I don't think I can show. It's been here from the last 15-20 minutes. Amazing, guys. This place is next level. The water is so clear. This is the snow that is melting from there. So this is pure, clear, crystal clear water. And yeah, I'm just taking photos. I think Setan is something you guys must not miss if you come to Manali. So do come here, check it out, and also don't litter the place. Keep the place clean. This place is so serene, I can't explain. Feels like we're in some other world, man. There's nobody here. It's just the four of us. I'm tempted to put my GoPro there, but I don't know. It's literally freezing. I'm not even kidding. Let me see how the water is. Maybe just for you guys, I'll see how the water feels. Okay, it's not that cold also, but yeah, it can. It's my natural hair gel. Mind my head, guys. I've been wearing beanie and helmet the whole time, so this is what it is for now. So I wore shoe for the first time in Himachal. I was wearing my sliders all the time, and today, since I expected it to be cold or snowing, I wore my shoes. So guys, all geared up again, heading that way. Just stopped for this waterfall. I don't know what's on top, but yeah, there's a lot of vehicles going that way, so we'll go there and see, explore some more. So guys, made it to the top of Setan, or this is the start route of the Hamta Pass trek. So if you guys are very familiar with the few treks that they have in Himachal, Hamta is one of the most famous. We had also planned to do that earlier, but because of the second wave we couldn't. So we just stopped by near Hamta Dhaba and camp. So if you see, there are a lot of people maybe starting their journey towards Hamta, and yeah, we're planning to walk it up till there, where you can see some snow. Maybe just relax for a while, fly the drone, and then maybe head out. So that is the Hamta Pass side, guys. So you go there and then you climb up and you would reach the other side, which is the route to Spiti. So yeah, few people here, not too many. There's a small cafe kind of thing over there, small shop, and some briefing happening about the Hamta trek for other guys. So I don't know. Let's see how this goes. So it is not that cold, and the place is beautiful, guys. I don't know, mad guys, mad place.